creating a series of sand dunes rising as much as 130 feet tall. During the rainy season, between January and June, the rainstorms fill the spaces among the dunes with freshwater lagoons of up to 330 feet in length and 10 feet in depth, and together comprising as much as 41% of the area of the park. Lençóis Maranhães National Park receives as many as 60,000 visitors a year. Everyday activities within the park include surfing, canoeing, and horseback riding. This region in central Turkey is known for its surreal landscapes of fairy chimneys, rock formations, and underground cities. Over thousands of years, volcanic eruptions, erosion, and human habitations formed the unique topography of Cappadocia. Cappadocia has a rich history and even appears in the biblical account in the book of Acts, 2nd chapter, verse 9. Today is a popular tourist destination where travelers can take hot air balloon rides, hike, or explore the underground cities and churches that were carved into the soft, tough rock. Cappadocia is also famous for its wine, pottery, and hospitality, making it a popular destination for tourists across the globe. The stunning bay is in Phang Nga Province, Thailand, and is known for its limestone cliffs, turquoise waters, and hidden lagoons. Tourists can explore the bay by boat or kayak and discover the numerous caves and beaches that dot the coastline. Limestone cliffs with caves, collapsed cave systems, and archaeological sites are found about Phang Nga Bay. Around 10,000 years ago, when sea levels were lower, walking from Phuket and Krabi was possible. The bay is also home to James Bond Island, a famous tourist spot that was featured in the movie The Man with the Golden Gun. Discovered in Vatnajökull National Park in Iceland, Svartifoss waterfall is known for its unique basalt column formations surrounding the falls. The waterfall drops 20 meters into a pool below, and the black basalt columns provide a stunning backdrop for the picturesque scene. Travelers can hike to the waterfall and explore the surrounding glaciers and landscape. Svartifoss cannot be seen from the road, and the hike up to it takes some 90 minutes back and forth with photo stops. In Yellowstone National Park in the United States is one of the largest hot springs in the world. The first records of the spring are from early European explorers and surveyors. In 1839, 4 trappers from the American Fur Company crossed the Midway Geyser Basin and noted a boiling lake. The The hot spring is over 370 feet in diameter, and its colors are caused by microbial mats that thrive in the hot and mineral-rich waters. The deep blue color of the water in the center of the pool results from the intrinsic blue color of water. The effect is most substantial in the center of the spring because of its sterility and depth.